Hi, my name is Eli Masabki. Thank you for watching a demo of Skilled2Hire hands-on training management and mentoring software. Skilled2Hire offers many benefits to teachers in vocational education as well as students. Most of you use worksheets on paper, Blackboard, Whiteboard, and Excel or Google Sheets. These are very time-consuming to create and maintain, as you know very well. It's not possible to provide comments or mentoring for the students, and they're not usable by the students after the semester is over. One of the two big benefits of Skilled2Hire is to save instructors a lot of time creating and digitizing students' tasks, worksheets, grading their work, documenting your mentoring comments, and remotely providing them with feedback on their work. For the automotive industry, Skilled2Hire includes over 400 ASE tasks aligned with your curriculum and teaching objectives. The second big benefit of the app is to build detailed electronic transcripts for students' lab work to share with future employers. These transcripts provide measurable metrics of students' skills, and they are more valuable than the certificates they receive when they graduate. With Skilled2Hire, you can mentor, inspect students' work remotely and gradually as they complete the tasks, and you can provide them with valuable and documented feedback. It increases student engagement and creates accountability through goal setting and giving them control of their own education. You can monitor students' progress in real time and provide them with encouragement along the way. You can rate and grade students' performance and efficiency, if you like, in a quantitative and qualitative way on each task. The app is very easy to use and quick to set up. Skilled2Hire is ideal for lab courses, apprenticeships, and advanced hands-on training. The app has 5 main functions: easily creating and customizing task lists using existing templates, creating classes for each course, managing your training and tracking student progress, engaging, mentoring, and rating your students on their tasks. Lastly, Skilled2Hire automatically creates customizable reports and electronic students' transcripts that will save you lots of time and will be extremely valuable to the students. Let's jump into a demo now. After you create an account on the Skilled2Hire website, you'll be prompted to create a training program. The app has a dozen templates to make your life easy and save you a lot of time. ASE has structured the training programs into 3 categories: automotive maintenance and light repair, automotive technician, and master automotive technician. They all contain the tasks for A1 to A8, and each one is a superset of the previous with more complex tasks added to it. For example, brakes exist in all 3 programs. Select the one that suits you. We will select the automotive maintenance and light repair program for this demo. Add your school logo or another image and enter a brief description of the class. You can ignore the entry and completion wage fields. In collaboration with ASE, Skilled2Hire includes many automotive training templates encompassing over 400 tasks to choose from, including truck and diesel training as well as advanced L1 to L4 training tasks. The app also includes over 200 iCar auto body tasks. If you like, you can add qualifications such as prerequisites for a given class, as well as questions to the students such as, what do you expect to get out of this class? Each template program consists of multiple modules. You can delete the ones you don't want to create your course, and for each module, you have the option to add related resources such as videos, images, and links to external information in order to have all your training in one place. Each module can be thought of as a training course. You can create a class for each and invite students you want to participate in a given class. This is very handy if you want to create multiple classes with different subjects all at once. Once you add a class, you're prompted to enter the name of the class, number of slots available, its location, and time. If you click on any of the training modules, you'll be able to see its associated tasks and default repetitions. Here you have several options. You can edit any of the tasks you like to your liking. You can add or delete tasks. You can add tasks manually or by uploading them from a .csv file. If you want to track a technician's efficiency, the minimum you should do is enter a time goal for each task. You should know the book times for each task or refer to a data book from Mitchell 1, All Data, or other source. Once you're satisfied with your training program, save it in private mode and invite your students to join it. You'll have a field to enter their emails, and they will receive invitations to join your class. You have now successfully created one or multiple classes for your students. Skilled2Hire's dashboard shows a progress summary for all your students. You can select any of your students to view his or her tasks. You can select any task to view its repetitions. Here you can see that 2 of Jacob's 4 tasks were rated and 2 remain to be reviewed and rated by his teacher. You can select any repetition to view it or rate it. Here you can see the student's comments and questions, his time on task, and when it was completed. The teacher can leave a comment or response and rate a repetition if it hasn't been already rated. When a student completes a repetition, his trainer will be emailed and also notified through the app. Vice versa, when a teacher rates a repetition, the student will also be notified. The student can access Skilled2Hire on our website or download the mobile app to see the details of his program, tasks, resources, records, and mentoring feedback. His app is more or less a mirror image of the teacher's app. Here the student can see his repetitions and add a repetition. Inside a repetition, the student has 2 fields to complete: the time on task and any comments or questions for his teacher. Not shown here is a new feature that allows the student to upload a video or images to his repetition. This is helpful to better document the work he has done, but also for the teacher to see it later in case he's not available to inspect it right away in person. Conversation through the app leaves no room for interpretation compared with verbal communication. It creates an audit trail and it provides information for the student to refer to next time he or she is conducting the same task on another vehicle. Complete training records of all the tasks and modules are created by the app, and both the teacher and student can view them, save them, and print them at any time. These online task transcripts provide a measurable metric of a student's skills, and they are a valuable tool for students interviewing for a job. The teacher can generate customized certificates of completion with the school's name and logo and courses completed. These certificates are gratifying and a great tool for motivating students. Skilled2Hire offers a 30-day free trial of the app. Also, for a limited time, we're offering a free pilot use of the app. It includes an unlimited number of teachers and students. Payment for use of the app can be done by the school or partially by students' one-time fee. To sign up for the pilot program and for more information on pricing, email us at info@skilled2hire.com. Thank you again for watching this video.